Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to create another account on your Facebook account. So you already have an existing Facebook account and you want to create another account on it. This is just how to do it. So go over to Facebook and then go to your profile and you see where it has a three-dotted icon. You click on that. And then you are going to see where it says create another account. You click on this. So from this area, you can actually add or use an existing account. I have other accounts right here. You can use the existing account. These are Instagram account. Do not forget. I'm going to skip that because I do not want to use it. So go ahead and add the existing or a new name entirely that you want to use. This is going to be a new account. So I'm just going to say now, you know that Facebook actually has a policy. You can only make use of your real name. But in this case, you can use just about anything. So I'm using Mr. Trust. So you can upload an image, but I do not want to upload an image right now. I'm just going to say continue. So I am okay with this. You can read every information to understand. You can notice it says this new profile will reset to default settings. Once created, you'll be able to review and make changes shortly. And then be mindful of your activities. People may learn the profile you create are connected based on what you say or do. Now, assessing your information. Go ahead and read this at your own case. You can click on learn more to learn more about it. Learn more. But if you are done, click on create, and then this is going to create your new profile. Wait for a while. This is going to complete, and when it's complete, it's going to take you to your new profile, and then you can now start editing and doing everything you want with this profile. Alright guys, the profile has been created. Now you can go ahead and edit or make changes. So I'm going to go ahead and add a profile image. I think I am okay with this. And then for the cover, I can just add this one. This is actually what I have created in the past. So I'm going to wait for that to upload. Alright, so the image has been uploaded. Now all I need to do is to click on next. Now from this area you can select your friends, and you can select, when you select this, these are the people that you will be chatting with. But I do not want to select any friend. I just want it to be at random, and I'm going to click on next. So from the next page you will have to, from the next page you click on continue, and this is going to continue. You can click on join group, and then you are going to join these groups. But I am going to deselect this because I want it to be empty. I do not want it to have anybody following. So deselect, and then next. All right, so this area, it shows you how to control who you interact. You can always come to your profile, manage, and then you select who you can interact with and all this. And then to do that, click on manage setting, and then from here you are going to select who you are going to be interacting with, or who will be able to interact with you. So if you want this account to be customized setting, leave it like this, and then you go next. If you want it to be public, you make it public by choosing this, and then it's going to be public. But then I'm going to just go next so that I will customize this setting. I just want you guys to actually see what this is like. So if you are deciding, you should be aware of what you are choosing. So now I can say the friends that the people that I want to see my post in the future, I am going to click on this, and I'm going to make this public. They can see my post because yes, I want that to be public. If you want it to be only me, you can select only me, choose whatever you want. There are so many settings right here. Go ahead and configure this to whichever settings that you want. Once you are done, you click on done. I am going to come back and make settings later on. I am going to show you guys how to do that. So you click on done to confirm that you have completed this particular freeze or this particular stage. So next you click on OK. So after that you click on after this you can go ahead and configure even more settings. So once you're done, I'm just going to, I do not want to make any other settings, so I'm just going to go right back, and then I'm going to say not now for all of the remaining ones, and I'm going to say done right here. So this is going to take me to the profile. Now from here, you are going to see that everything is empty. I do not have any friend. It's just showing me random people. Now you can always go to your profile to even make more changes. So this is my profile image and my thumbnail. I can go ahead and update this information to actually join group and then accept a friend. You can see it's showing me things to do. I can add all of these people as my friend also. But if I do not want to do that, all I just need to do is to ignore it. So I can click on edit profile to start editing my profile and making the profile even better than it already is. So guys, this is what I want to show you. So you can clearly see that you can do just about anything like you can do on your main profile, edit the information that we skipped the other time, add your social media and more information like you do on your main account, and that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, smash like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you have further question, leave it on the comment section. I am going to hopefully answer to that. And do know that you can easily join any group or add anybody as your friend on this area. So because I do not have anybody, it is not showing them. So once I start having friends, it's going to start updating all of my friends right here. So tell me what you think about this. If this is cool, if you are going to be using it even more, let me know, guys. And also see you guys on the next one. Be good and stay safe.